Yo, 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 hey, what's up, homie from Wyoming, don't you know me? Check this out. I just wanted to make a quick video for y'all people out there who's seeing these vice grips out there with this little leverage lock, torque lock deal on the back. I've had these for about 3 to 4 years and I never knew how to use them. The way that I thought was this would be used as maybe like a breaker bar where you add a an extension to use as a breaker bar to loosen up. No way, Jose. That's not the way you use these suckers. And as a matter of fact, I just went to Ace Hardware. I saw some on their shelf there, and I asked a couple of guys, how do you use these vice grips? They didn't know what the hell they were talking about, man. They didn't know. They thought it was also used, it was intended to be used as a breaker bar. They don't know what is up, I'm telling you. But check this out, and I Googled it, I looked on YouTube. There's only one guy that is pretty much explaining to you a little bit on it, how to use these guys. Man, it's amazing once you discover it. Not even Milwaukee, their little commercial they got on YouTube, they don't even explain the secret of these vice grips. And the thing is that I was having a little bit of trouble breaking up one of those fittings for a brake line on my on this 66 Chevy Impala. Check this out. Didn't want to show it to you, but now I am. Didn't want to show off, but now I am. Check this out. Pretty sweet, huh? All right. But anyway, I was caught in a pickle. Couldn't loosen it up. Threw these vice grips on it, and they kept on slipping. So I said, hey man, that's it. But you know what? What I did, and this is what's going on with these vice grips. This is how you use these vice grips. Check this out. Now I'm gonna demonstrate. Check it out on this wood here. It's actually a table here. See, nice and gentle. I just put them on there with my hand. Under the car, it's kind of hard to really give it that nice pressure lock because of the constricted area under the car. So it's kind of difficult. But here, this is easy. This is something just for demonstration purposes. I'm showing y'all. But check this out. To give it more pressure, what you do is grab a screwdriver or something like that. You turn it, and it starts giving more pressure to the vice grip. Why is that important? Well, that's very important for, oh my gosh, for us people who don't work out, us people who are older and can't pressure it. I'm showing you what's up. Oh man, it's giving more pressure. And check this out. I can't even loosen it up with my hand right here. Oh, okay. But yeah, that's what they're for. It's amazing. Amazing vice grips. I'm telling you, y'all gotta get them. That's part of your tool set. All right, y'all take it easy. Checking out from California, Mr. Toolman.